It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba. Afi tumirika ne hia yen e wo Facebook no so a na ye DLFM 106.9 na kase bono ehunfoni any videos ahudo nyina no yemfa ensomo awiai yensha kase bona se FM free Ghana mampani Berima Obuada John Dramani Mahama edensem atudwa echiremisem na ban ebaye wonum gusu a wonom ekonkweden eba adwumaden yipa amazesempo Nyankopɔn ayadom ema Ghana yeside no enya hoden eje ne naso a kyerese nche bia Ghana dwadie bekoso kama pa momen empunto etimi aba amavinsu nuane enuama bebre na bona etimi akofom Ghana mampanin John Dramani Mahama edese to dwamra ne eye 9th Ghana CEO Summit Jumedia ekoso klabo prema temo ena Ghana mampanin kasemu ena wo chiremisem sesi ekese no enam se Ghana city no eje ne naso nti Ama eye Ghana Private Road Transport Union. Ye 20 can say GPLTU4 etime ate. Wonom ahyente dia so we nyina kiremu a na Ghana mampani eba adwumaden ye mameke se Ghana city na nya hoden dia na Ghana for de Yakopon ase ye pam. Ghana mampani kasemu ena o kiremu sem. We dia eye ketua bi ne yahuren. Obekwaso eba adwumaden aboa ma Ghana eside no enya hoden agya ne naso ma dwadie nso akonkan wo men. Yatimi akoyenem ewo mputu mu Ghana mampani kasemu ene wo kiremisem ene montu a Ghana Private Road Transport Union GPRT mpanifo atuo no emu adepa na so na ne ye papa ne senti o ka kire Ghana nyuma kwa hodo aka nyina titiriw ene adwadifo se monso montena se na sabe dwumadi a mu dem tetetem ne ma se na mo na Ghana nyina da yensi de anya hoden ne fa ngo so ne bo akofom no Ghana fo nyina da enya so mfaso Ghana mampani edensem sei edutudwa.
To get there, we must reset with discipline, with purpose and unity. On government's part, I wish to assure you that we'll maintain the current fiscal discipline and work to maintain a conducive environment for your businesses to thrive. Let me take the opportunity to commend those of you who have responded to the cedi's appreciation by reducing prices of your products and services and thereby passing some of the relief from the hardship to Ghanaians. And so, Oka and all of you, thank you very much. GPRTU, thank you very much. And so for those of you who have not responded yet, please pass on some of the cedi appreciation to Ghanaians.
Aye, Ghana ni a uti o manyim no ahunu se cedi enya hoden fa ngobo akofom nanso wabo ye mfita duku no Ghana mampanin se yenka nkyesem wani nso de mpanifo ejem na ne kwakura mu no ena Ghana mampanin ekiremu a o hyebo se odi loto no ebesa babiew na wadi ne bohye so ojene na so pemen se bema mu a loto no eba na ne nyina ne se mo be no enkwa no manual payment dabi obi enkwa nkwhye adakam enkwa nkwgi sika enkoti boat emfa nche ne tunkodi ma Ghana manyi mokada ye kwa na degeta abefo kwanso enya wote ka mu sa wo kwa bedu baabi no enya islegon bonus no akwatra bridge na camera eba honom na capture car no na send message akoma ka una no every say obo moden eden Ghana card ena register wo car nenti empenifo beti sika no de free account mu ne watua na abo ma Ghana nso yenya sika e de abo omanyi ho bra se be beboa na ya kwane ma konka Ghana ma mpani chirim se we ni kitikiti bi na Ghana ni betua once the pe na waboa ma roto no so ne ma konkan e de wo man.
A request for a reference on Moses from DR Congo, and you can better give you a very positive reference of Ghana's ID card. And the person was asking about Ghana's ID card, and I said, oh yeah, Margins did it for us. He said, did they do a good job? I said, yes, they did. So explore that market. When you spoke, I mean, the opportunities are endless. We said in the budget that we're going to reintroduce road tolls. And so they've been talking about, what the modality should be and all that. But the good thing today is every car is linked to the owner's Ghana card. And so we don't need to have the old toll gates and those cards that you stand and open and all that. We'll just go straight digitalized. If it's one cedi, if you cross the East Legon Bridge, Governor and Finance Minister will all be happy. We'll just take a picture of your car and then it will take the bill to your mobile money or your bank account and just pay one cedi, only one cedi. So things are looking up. I'm happy to see my friend Subi. He sold me my first EV car, a little nippy Wuling Chinese car. And today my boys quarrel over who should use it because they don't pay petrol, they don't pay electricity. The charger is in my house. So they come and park it and plug it in. And when it has a full charge, 330 kilometers, they are good to go. And so, Subi, I'm happy to see you
DLFM 106.9.
Any out ye a Ghana Mampany, John Dramani Mahama.
Yantua Cassia Boniso and Ghana Health Service for Abe confirm a monkeypox cases no edu as I said dear a young mine cases or metimi a confirm a ye dun kra a health official HMA a munumu de ya de omodi omoko ayarisa bi omoje a ye ayarisa nemo wo bia entimi MPM into Ghana Health Service for HMA omo ma yetimemfoni na arehemu so mbebo modin ahwete bia no sane yetie no ma ye nhwehwemu a emu ye den sane be yom den hye pa ebegu akwan mu e wo man mu na afa na na sane be ya ne titiriu no ba bia o matimi a record cases no betimi ahwe sane be ya entimi entre enkwanim na ye monkeypox na hompopo ne se ubetimi anya fever sanso ana wuti ebe pa wiye papa wachi dompeni na ebe ye oya na honam so no etimi aye oya afi obehun se rashes nso e wo honam nani a na chese wo so otimi kwa ya resabia na akɔhwɛ ye monkeypox no unya bia nti bomodin se huhu sa niama we ni na kɔ ɛyɛ ayaresabia ebe wo na kɔyɛ nhwehwɛmu na aba ye DR Congo ene Nigeria de ye monkeypox no agye ne ho ye ne home na pa e wo hɔ no ma esan se omunyo obia enchurch omukwan betimi afa so nti no ade biara da no mo record cases into ye World Health Organization for ebomodin som diska ebe share vaccine on person omu ye nim se ne ebe ye ombesan so ye campaign na ma cheche tememufo no ne wo so omu ye se ne ebe ye monkeypox yarewa no entimi entre e wo man yi mu
Yantua Cassia Bonoso and a Yamon Fangramo, Ewo Asante region, Asante Matemum, Yeguswa Jeremo, our Pomodemum, Na Equa, a dear Dawanamosum, a coalition of Unemployed Allied Health Professionals Association of Ghana. One a nurse Foku, a doctor Foka Humpim. One much Maden etimi aqua classroom. Aqua gentity pa, aqua board degree near dear. Aba betena fie emfia pore ensia e wo manyim efrisa mu wie school no eye mfempem mienu ene donkron 2019 mu wie school bepem sambre enya ade a wonom enya adwuma a wonom eye na ekwedodo ebeboro beye empem aduasa 30,000 a wo mu kiremi se o ma tena sia dwene ho ahunu se Ghana mampanimfo yi wonom ebo mo abro pa ne sente ne mu yada wonom pese aban efo madwuma Ebie wonso abanya chechepa na onkan kire Ghana ni a wako school titiriu ene nursefo ne sem efri na ekọ or the national policy eba se obi wie school a onkonkọ tenafie e wo mena onya adwuma enjem na kwei omodoso pa tetea do omkwaje ye no ebe kwaje tetea o medical laboratory scientist ebi siko eye physiotherapist ene ebi so eye radiographers a oma bomoden akwadale power pomudin a ekonka ne yepam na ekwo no kokwa pai wonu madwa e kiremi se ne ukopiemu awala sabia hodo am a doctor for na shorte nurses kitwa bi ena adwuma pebre negu omo so a wonu ho kire mu yepam enti aba ne se ne empanifo ntumi mfa wonu madwuma mtititifia na mekase no wonu nya adwuma enjem adehia kase kiremi se ade aba kumpa etwa wonu nsunum ene se wonu license a ema mo ho kwan ma wonu ye health professionals no afi bia du a agye so kotua sika ekolini wo license wan tumi renew ampanifu agye dia free wonsem wa mu bisa aban se aban yi wonu mutifi a wonu nya adwuma na afi bia nso wonu ba renew mo license ni sika na mkofa na wahyefa wa mu kiremu a ade ba kumpo ameka sei ama omo kasa bo ahwe omo ye omo ye pa ne se nurse fo no mi wie school pe automatically wa mu wi a internship pe na mpanifu afọ mo adwuma ebiri mu se dia sabe enam so mu ni kama fo na protocol ni honti Wamu wi adwuma amanyosem ti wamba tena fia tena ba fo madwuma wamu kirema yanka kire Ghana mampanifo se de ekoso no wono mabo enjo so wodi sei eto nsantrafo anim.
Despite completing our mandatory national service, passing our licensure examinations and remaining committed and ready to serve the nation, many of us have remained unemployed since as far back as 2019. This is a very disturbing reality in a country where public facilities are plagued with chronic staff shortages, particularly in the areas of diagnostics, disease surveillance, rehabilitation, and health information management. It is unacceptable that highly trained professionals such as medical laboratory scientists, physiotherapists, radiographers, health information officers, disease control officers, community mental health officers, nutritionists, and dietitians, and others are idle at home while patients suffer and health workers post at overstretched. Ghana cannot continue to claim it is committed to universal health coverage while it sidelines the workforce needed to achieve it. Adding to the injustice, we are required by law to renew our professional licenses annually at significant personal cost, even though we are not employed and not permitted to practice. This is deeply unfair and further exacerbates the emotional, psychological, and financial hardship that we already are burdened with. We also decry that systematic discrimination in the health sector recruitment, while some of the other health professionals are automatically posted after their
DLFM 106.9
delayed and neglected. Our role in the health system is critical, and we demand equal recognition and opportunity. Furthermore, training institutions continue to admit new students annually, producing more graduates into a system that has failed to absorb the backlog. The government must immediately restructure the workforce, planning, and recruitment mechanisms in the health sector.
Nakasamafo edema ekono eye Hussein Abdul Baki ne kwakramu no ena wo kiremu a yanka nkyere Ghana mampani ena afin so soafo no ena hwe omanga na pomuden so se ena nim yada enso dom de atudwan mpanifo antu ho anamo a wonu baye oye kire e wo Ghana fa na nyina mama hunu se sebe yere yaw na se wanka sa utiri ho a enya de a wo mbejai.
We fully endorse Melpu's call and reinforce the following demands. 1. Immediate financial clearance and recruitment of all qualified but unemployed allied health professionals from 2019 to date. Second, an end to reoccurring bureaucratic bottlenecks that frustrates the employment process. 3. Clear timelines and full transparency from the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Finance on recruitment plans. 4. A comprehensive national policy for sustainable health workforce planning, equitable recruitment, and investment in human resource for health. 5. Equal and fair treatment of allied health professionals in the health sector decisions. This is a matter of justice, equity, and national interest. Continued neglect of our plight is a threat to public health, social stability, and the future of health professions in Ghana. If no decisive action is taken to address this issue, we will embark on a massive nationwide demonstration to demand our right to unemployment, fairness, and dignity. And we also like to note that there are about 30,000 unemployed allied health professionals. So we do actually have the number to engage in such a demonstration.
Any AOTA a public relations officer at the Coalition of Unemployed Allied Health Professionals Association of Ghana, Neden Ed Hussein Abdul Baki.
Yentwa Kasiabone so na Justice John Yedunyante on a presiding judge at the Ghanaian National Signal Eburia Director Kwabena Edubuahin na sennie na omudi no ana oche mu se wo so mobomodi ana modan nsem ni na adi ede eche na nsa na desre no etimi akoso no de nhihye we egu akwam wa bra nsem omodi akoda asemdibia no ade omosre se ombebomodi ade document ehuhia ni na etimi aba na ye Deputy Attorney General Dr. Justice Ramsay ede to court na nim se nipa oye nhihye ede afa asem ne ho no ade ane ho emfa ne kakra enti no mo twentwen niam so na emom ebedu eye fiada kotonima abosome ne de to so eye aduasa wo mfimpi mienu ni aduonunum no na chese eye nipa no oye nhihwemu ne ho atimi atonu atimi abegina court nanim ana court ehye se enne amatu asem no ede akọ eye June bosome ne de to so mienu wo mfimpi mienu ni aduonunum eye juada no ntomo mmomodian no muntimi embra sanso ana judge na nchiremu adekode pote omude sa de srede no ede tu dwane mom eye Justice Nyante eye Dr. Snam Sai ene eye defense lawyer Samuel Atachia ebe omodi ha ekohia ma obi anim de omokoka ho asem no matumi abomodi ade nsam no ede ato nchen ede akoto eye June bosom ne de atoso eye dubako e won mfimpimienu ene aduonunum nimu na eye lead counsel ede ma enka signal bureau director eye Samuel Atachia ede nsam tudwa echemu sanya ade an client no waye bibia na mom oye innocence.
You always be done premise on the papers file. I do not think that is the way that we are going. We've never made any overseas. There's nothing on the table for us to play back in. I'm not too sure. Maybe the issue will be with the Attorney General. Let's give him the space to prosecute the case. And let's respect the fact that if an Attorney General wants an adjournment, then we shouldn't challenge it. But it's a variable in the case management process. Yeah, it's a variable. So he's thinking elastic. But we've not made any overtures relating to play bargaining. It's out of the way for one measure, and we keep saying that people do not understand. And I don't want to do a media trap. That this case has national security ramifications.
And near Uti, a lead counsel at the former signal bureau director Samuel Atachia.
Yantwa Kasia Bonusuna Ghana for Bekaya. Anano, if you did chemi. BBC or Mayim Nasabi and Penifua say Bombofo, and as will be a quatching a channel, or Kokusi Bon, then your bon home the Wissia Gum, Ebo James and one Pia, or Dumeko, Miss Wagum, or Bojamus and one Pia say, Wong, the unquoted the Chago and Anufia de Chemi, not as some crazy a poteno, Yavamunchi Monsomo.
Minya Ghana need you. Because they said the one we never have president. Minya Ghana need you. Ghana for Musorio. Ghana for Musorio. I'm before you know Musorio. I'm before you know Musorio. I am Munti. I am Mahama. I am the vice president. Me, my dog board soda. Me, my DCO da. Me, my minister da. I am here. I am chairman in media. And I want to make campaign in Mammy. I'm my campaign in Mammy party. And I'm here, Juma. 2013. We are Saba the boom, Juma. Mubaye. Maptopim, Juma. My account to me did you was one of me, my account to club, did you was no 7 me must school fees club higher thing. What I said, most of them will start to my account to so, and you know, Nasabi, me, take a bang of the family.
Way, I nanu fear de chemwe, as a mo see ye, a home poprian medican at a wing. Na Ghana for back I am. Ashanti regional chairman, at the new patriotic party, MPP, Osano, Kokukwama Yukuno. Eye Bernard entry bosia kondodo abonum rane say chairman want to me stronger than appetite e wo krim enya semkuma kra na ogene hum na yepam na nkra beto dwa kirema senior man ade a enipa bia wonom enam koti kwan so etu fuma gudi a ye twanitia e kan se galamsei ne ho ebo hu yepa ne santi enya semkuma ndada papa yi kokopie mum e wo criminal investigations department ye twanitia I can say CID headquarters. No share Ghana Post Service ase. I want to prema temo. Na chairman went to me echo PMO and watch them so. The license to me krata kitana or to fuma gudi o Ghana mono. Enya dia e man kwan mane ye galamsenti. Galamse hu sensem no enya dia ne hu bom mukra. Chairman went to me eka samu bio and was saying, "Young Ghana Ghana mpanimfo asem. Ono o ma wote o man mu no aka ne no koya na dwen say Engoko kopetu mikrata akwa Follis. Akwa kotu efumagudie nanso Forestry Commission afenso asahwe omanga nansa aseso Lands Commission any Minerals Commission for eka kire ne say Ghana akwaye no ye ba ho ban e da gya nkirimanti tumikrata no wonom amfa ma no ntisende so bi shikwayem etufumagudie a chema wontimi onim ho hwe kram chema wontimi esanso agency mbisebia no ekirema enkrabeto dwa ekirema Ghana Cocoa Board etimi atua sika botene 50 million Ghana cedis e de aguna account zo onye sika wei enkodi ne kwa o kirema nya no krada saa sika ne kwa na kwantum no ayade na dwuma ko de daso no aye hallmark engineering ekọ adwuma ekokoyi akwan e de ma o ma Ghana na saa sika ne ho benye Ghana Cocoa Board e na betumi atua nti saa sika ne kogu na accountum no sabe oni Ghana fo sika o mo mai kro no da ne sente ne intensa godwa mpirifo de ball no ne ho so sabe abrobe Chama want me at the same say, at the Tuda.
Yo, Madam Ase, na Mother Obia Swasi, police for inviting me. I was say, na charger, omode ebo me is me na me garam say. Na me produce me lances a lease at the chair woman. Say me illegal mining. Na say me garam say. Enti me de me lances no at the chair woman. Ama omuhune the to so bio almost aka say me ye adwuma ewo forest and so me ka kire om say enye me a me nkonko ye adwuma ewo forest bia mu aye so omo evidence a omo betimi e de akire me na emre bi me apply lances wo ho nanso so forestry commission and lands commission and mines commission omo ye say omo de honam forestry commission for so omo nhwe ho enti omo e ye custodian na omo ye responsible a omo hwe ho nko ho da ti so obi ye adwuma wo ho ne ade a enye medin mu enye bibia enum ana yewie ye no omo ema bill 2 sureties ana sisia no yama bill sisia there make how much is the bill enye ni nyina na metimi aka na sisia aye yama me bill 2 sureties aye no cocoa board anya no credit sama je cocoa board for sika obia no so wo kọ no wakwakoye road anya ban na mausika aye wo mum na odi usika ebekọ contractor no wo na odi usika bekọ na odi akwakoye road uwia na highways for the cocoa board for no omo de omo engineers ababe value aye road na awoye no na omo de boa rate omo de ma wo no omo de atoso ye free BB certificate no ma raise me ne cocoa board for contract na wo say 28 days they should pay me but ye raise we no it take about 3 years and say no omutua me ka so cocoa board cannot tell me say na omo ne won to be ka obia no so obeye ketu obeye kesi o na mpaso so obia no kwakoye adwuma de medwen say adwuma nya de a eye bone medamase
eni a woti ye ayo titinani ede ma MPP osno kokroko no amanyoko no ewo asante mantenum ne den ede Mr Bernard Entwi Bosiako dodowa sanamrane say chairman wontume nene ena woti
Yentwa kase bone so na enkanim rahebedwani edema asante akem north eye andiapia kubi abebo anka ye HM sem rahebedwani edema abetifi eye Dr Brian Champon de eye ade obegina se presidential candidate ediama MPP amanyokuo no na bro ne nsem trofo etwetwe nkomo na Mr Pia kubi edi tudwa na ochem se eye ade omode nhyehyɛ payegu akwam se ne ebeya eye Dr Brian Champon betimi agina ediama MPP amanyokuo no se ne ebeya biakoye ene ahoden so no ebetimi aba amanyoko nimu biom no chema ye Dr Brian Champon de wonimde pass so aneba se adwuma obetimi aye no ne mane nyansoso ye edifri omo amakani na unte ya de a eye mfimpi mienu ne aduonu watwe ne de obegina se presidential candidate edi ama MPP amanyoko ne sanse o manga na ye hian puntuo inte ye Dr Brian Champon ne betimi abo na puntuo etimi aba o mani na eye ntitimu aba party nimu no so no ono a ne betimi akeka ediesieni
adwuma edaye nyina yakuma so se ye peke ni papa no abeje yekro MPP no obobo no elabi awe ni biya no woni na no dise betuda de smafo etikakra minim na meti ho akyere we say ye wura Champon woni mde honorable Dr Brian Champon woni mde na enyuma isusu esani ema o man Ghana Rock City Company Limited hotel chain ono na ne dia eno ne the biggest hotel chain na Africa nyina ena ono so woye yemie oya doye yemmemi pa mebre ni saso yeso ene ko achimote school say ya o kwala mebre o honmo ono ye omo papa ono na hwe omo nyina na ebre nyina ye de ma odi be ba bonchi na atone kuma so say yeko MPP ne hia kabu ye huni say oni nipa ba ko a sorry gina obetimi atwe afanu ne nyina bebo mu na ekabo mu na fa so aba na ye dia beje o my Ghana there it can only take an MPP government to develop it and he say out of confusion ba party many are they say timiye ama NDC for we believe we can always do better na doing better no the champion of it no will be honorable Dr. Brian Champon
honorable doctor, number reducing the rank. Over 2 doctors. She doctor. It is a pair. Obia or intellectual capacity. He is champion. The Obia or a business mongo, he is there. Where is him a academician? Where is him a business person? Where there? Where a both academician and a business person. And he killing 2 birds with 1 stone. He is a symbol of victory.
DLFM 106.9.
Eni ya uti ye nkanim na shebedwani edema Asante Akem North Andy Apia Kubi.
Yanto akasebo no so ne yenyina mu ewiskase mu kakra na openipo no na oda o my Ghana. Yesika krabia kubatan ano governor of the Bank of Ghana. Dr. Johnson esiamam adensem ade atudwa echirima. Amanfo mi na montene o my Ghana mu na mo kasa saa. With the Bank of Ghana baye, one person or motna see I and she be shada ye bibi kana nasa. Nasi di enya hodi jana naso. No mukasa Ghana man penny John Dramani Mahama. Ne NDC bayo mashada ye bibina Ghana for settings na. No my ya jomadi mnetewe bintem. Openi ye say young kanjra Ghana for nyina sem. Sansa ensem no enya no kreda. Ghana si de ne enya hoden ejana naso a. Ekonkodi ene wa papai $US aniso men na make say dollars no eda yare sabia osra ayarehwe no ni nyina dan hyehye pam o my Ghana aban ana afenso Bank of Ghana ede agu akwam ebebo na Ghana city no etimoje ne naso akonkoden akonanim emfe pi wo yanim o de say de tudwa e na Ghana CEO Summit dwumadi ekọ nkan anase ekọ so krabo prema temu e wendrada adwada kotonu aboseme ne dana taso de onu nsia Enfimpi mienu ni edenu numu na doctor. Esiama echiremu se performance a Ghana series eden da die no. Yamfa ni nyina da enka nkyira Ghana fo se eja dwumade no mapo. Na mom enya se moye bibi ema Ghana fo abo aban na baso. Doctor Esiama se Ghana man be kwoswa ehun hyepa evisa na trasia. Hyepa de gu akwemu no Ghana bedu babi o man. Ye be kwenu musikasem akwenu me yepa. Odin sem sei eto nsentrafo anim.
Our city has appreciated by 24.1% against the US dollar on year-to-date terms. Now, colleagues, let me emphasize that the central bank
DLFM.
is not, and the not is in capital letters. The central bank is not using its international reserves to support the city, nor are we engineering an appreciation in the city that will not be sustainable. It's all market-driven, and the strengthening of the currency reflects a blend of disciplined monetary policy, tailored forex auction reforms, enhanced remittance channels, and stricter market surveillance. These are not mere short-term interventions.
DLFM.
Eni awoti ye eyopenipo no enada Ghana. Yesika krabia kubatan ano mechire governor of the Bank of Ghana. Dr. Johnson esiama nene ena wuti ye. Ye nyina weso e ne yankenka madwenkyire ni bi na yemfa nso mawie ya. Na we every piaga no chirem sem. We are still searching for our containers so ECG for containers no. Piaga se egusu ahwehwe kira kwan mate. Kwadwo Asempa Furniture Works. Oh, me wa fase. Also enjoy news ni live or say this powerful news. Or here live, Eddie Free Kwadwo Asempa Furniture Works. Edum Kumasi ya se pa me wafase. Minim se ye pam. When so free Richard Ashe and chain no chirem sem. Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B. Ene Adwoa Agyei Sikapa kasebo no. Emu de pa sa no mandam na sin ye hunsu mponi kasebo ndi agye se ntra hapam. Or say yes, I must confess. Dear news, your official na ye sweet like bed meat. Emu de pa na hana Ghana fo nyina tie kasebo na di free. Na wanum etie edi free DJ Ghana man free ni so great station honom DLFM next. Also da yase na dwumaden a yepo Edison Ghana. Yenso yeda se pa senior. When so free master planner junior kentampo and o kire musem. Ohwa kasebo na life pa edi free kentampo north no kire mu a. Sese ye kese de Ghana shankafo ne bi maso aye den pante ese ye force on na emra no mu de so. Na sense de omtete ni nyina abo so na bo anema konkan. O se nche kese enkoma eye honorable Charles Oten Oti incoming Greater Accra Assistant Secretary Adase Pam. Kofi Parliament and what say DLFM kase bono emu ye desene bibibia oh loud and cry inside eye agrabo bikuma apaya da se pa senior man ene adwumade a wonso body tie ya kirem when so every set and tobam and was say ohwe ye life e di free malam dodo na bonam lan say eye breastfeeding and was say president Mahama priest obamodea etio di free wager gbawe eye branch NDC amanyo kronimo eye grassroots fo no wa mu kire mo so mo hia adwumo Ghana man pani national cake no mo twa mo de mo sanka wai if is a mo so man so mpam Hansen did no chem say good afternoon Sammy B any Adwoa Agyei Sikapa or say kase but more the son manam or the asna dwumade a yebo or share live edi free atomic hotel e wa dansoman diodu ya da sepam ya da papa wensu efre Wilson eye brentu ana wo chem say den there be wo dey am so person odi dwa on there be Adwoa de emwa ya da super so odi dwa me ya be free ha na mu sei na behu marketing department na yemo na mahu dawuro mfama pa so obefa kwanya wesu abo na mahu dawuro de sikapa ebepene debi ye nya kra enti we de alata moi senior brentu enya de ase adwadi we nkrato we de fda for kra nyintum enti ye nya kra we akase abo na DC a we eye happy birthday enko enfama senior man himself we headmaster Ed Matepa RCJHS. Also, an outside chief executive officer. Edema B5 services. And so what tepa. And nothing so a tepa senior high school no. When I were PTA chairman. Within Ade Mr. Daniel Kofi Chei. And I was the senior man. Yakupon Shrawati. Onyo kasia pa nompejao emfi atumo enkwa atumo yakupon tre numfanchrew. Sene ewa udei Mr. Daniel Kofi Chei awe headmaster at the Matepa RCJHS afinso chief executive officer at the B5 services ewa tepa and afinso tepa senior high school no when awe PTA chairman senior man ya minshaw no nya okese pam we efri ochecheni ya ne den Ede Collins ono so wa tepa na ose yamfa woda kese we emfa ma wobutum awa hafo ano north mention him happy birthday enko fama Mr. Daniel Kofi Chei awe headmaster at the Matepa RCJHS kasebani yedi asi emusemufo no eye Mace mebere atwene se mu ede ema yen Kofi Chei de kopie mu e wo Facebook no so senior technician on duty eye DJ Zigibim na yeso a hwan na eba
Nanajwa silky, achire muhima, enfifi muhima, radio mu ya santua, enkacha hima, Michael Jackson.
Papa no, one eba won.
Ani.
Oba be yeden.
DLFM adwumedie na no deba. Ene ye benada.
Nto ane hwan eba.
Oni sexy journalist, ana kwame afum.
Sexy din ne boni ye mame.
Sexy journalist.
Aba. Ewie be wura pa. Tekasa video ni jama wonom na tenase. Womba be sompa. Akenkanfo awie yesen konwa ye hwene tia sentemu ebesomsompa no edi amaje so ya takwade kodwekrum twabego de hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy ma hoteden ene ehunsi ompone meni ahofedua
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa
yema mo nyina mu ene tia adehye
midimafo